to mechanics offer better service with premium lubricants. To customers, choose products that truly protect your engine, not just lubricate it. So, ang atong objective nato sa event karon is DIY change oil motor shop. So, ang negosyong maasahan. We're here to promote the DIY change oil, a simple low investment business model that creates real opportunities. With Motol as your brand and NNBB as your support system, you're not alone in this. We're offering training, marketing, and supplies, the whole package, because we believe kung may sipag ka, may Motol ka, may negosyo ka. Thank you to our powerhouse sponsors. Of course, none of this would be possible, literally. Without our amazing partners and sponsors, let's give them a round of applause, please. Motol for the vision and trust. Maron battery high performance battery partner. AKR Marketing Corporation, our marketing ally, together with Top Garage. Dansons, Motopilot, Rider Focus Excellence. Asian Coatings, making everything shine. Eurotech motorcycle battery, more power to you. Mitsubishi Motors and Fast Auto World.